cookies, guys. She's making cookies, butter cookies, peanut butter. What did you put? Soda?
Baking soda. I'm doubling the recipe. It calls for 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of natural peanut butter, 2 eggs, a cup of sugar, a cup of brown sugar, 2½ cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, ½ a teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, and I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla to this. It doesn't call for vanilla, but I like vanilla. That's the ingredients for these peanut butter cookies. Yes, and I'm doubling it, so we'll have plenty to last.
So as what you can see, guys, we have here the brown sugar and the white sugar and the butter and the peanut butter. Need to mix this everything, and then I'm gonna add the 4 eggs here. I'm gonna mix this. All here. The eggs, 4 eggs, peanut butter, and brown sugar and the white sugar, and the butter. And then now I'm gonna add the flour. Gonna add the flour. Peanut butter cookies. I'm gonna mix this. So I'm gonna use this, guys. I'm gonna use the mixture for So guys, i-ref natin mga 1 hour and then cover. Oh, diba? Undo na to. Guys, after 1 hour sa refrigerator, ato anang ibutang sa baking. Gamit ko og ice cream scoop, guys. Tinidor. And then oy, nipilit man. Pilit siya, guys. Pilit sa akong tinidor. guys, luto na akong cookies. O, diba, daghan kayo. Ang akong cookies. So guys, luto na ang akong cookies. Huwag akong ibutang dari para ma-hugnaw. Diba guys, super daghan. Oh. Ang dami naming cookies guys. Who wants some? Kadto lang kayo di. O diba, parting daghan na ang akong cookies. Set the time into 10 minutes. Alexa.